Welcome to this video, guys. Let's install the latest version of Python. There is Python 3.12.6 on our Windows 11 machine and how we can run it. We'll also see that. Okay, so first go to this python.org. I'll have this link in the description below, and then hover over downloads. No need to click here. Then you will see download for Windows. Just click on this Python 3.12.6 and the download will start. Once the download is complete, just click on open file, and now click on this add python.exe to path so that we can run Python from command line, and then click on install now. The installation has started. As you can see, it will be finished in just a minute. Finally, after a while, you'll see this message setup was successful. Now we'll close this and let's see if Python is installed. So if I go back to my desktop and press the Windows key and type Python, as you can see, you'll see this Python 3.12. And if I press Windows again and type cmd, hit enter to open this, and let's see if we can run Python from command line or not. So if I just type Python _version, as you can see, it has already been added to path and we can see the version number here. And if I type Python, we can go inside Python console, and here you can write and run Python commands. So if I write a equals to 10, b equals to 12, then I print a plus b, as you can see the output will be printed. So we have now successfully installed Python and we can run Python like this. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.